Australia's #1 interiors trade event, Decor Design, will be shining a spotlight on kitchens and bathrooms this July. I'll be there as the official kitchen and bathroom ambassador, hosting a workshop and alongside a great lineup of experts and suppliers sharing the knowledge and know-how to create beautiful kitchen and bathroom spaces. Decor Design have also just announced a brilliant new partnership with the KBDi, the Kitchen and Bathroom Design Institute. They'll be hosting a hub within the exhibition to showcase the latest innovations within these two most important spaces, kitchens and bathrooms. Haven's Kitchens by Formica will be exhibiting alongside a great lineup of other brands, showcasing the latest fittings, finishes and of course beautiful surfaces. Cosentino is also a sponsor of the Green Design Hub, where you'll be inspired by the latest recycled materials and ideas for great zero waste design. Don't miss Decor Design 2023 from July 13th to the 16th at the Melbourne Exhibition Centre. Trade visitor registration is already open. I can't wait to see you there. For more details, go to decordesignShow.com.au.